Hello everyone! I have a very nice product over here. I would like to share it with you. It's a rainbow scratch art. The set includes 24 of each, including scratch notes. They nicely designed with beautiful and colorful covers in 6 different themes. It's also well made out of high quality paper. It's durable and long lasting. Additionally, it comes with 24 wooden styluses in different colors, 24 stencils in 4 colors, and additionally it also comes with 24 bags. That makes it a perfect choice for party favors, goodie bags, stocking stuffers, or anything else you find it useful for. This scratch art is very nice. I like the quality. It provides with a lot of fun for kids. Also helps them to develop creativity, imagination, focus. And it's a perfect choice for home use or traveling, classroom as well, rainy days. It's very convenient to take it with you to go since it's compact. And it also provides with the mess-free experience. There are no paint stains on hands or clothes for the maximum convenience. I like this product very much. I like the quality. It's simple to use for kids and a lot of fun. I would highly recommend it to you.